How to add animated header in WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am giving you a tutorial on how to add animated header on your WordPress website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up the dashboard of your WordPress website, and this is my dashboard for my WordPress. And we want to create an animated header. It's really easy to do. First of all, you will simply scroll down to plugins and go to add new. In add new, we're going to simply move to right here, search plugins and search for essentials add-on. Essential add-ons, okay, this is the one. Essential add-ons for Elementor. The essential plugin you install after Elementor, packed with 40 plus stunning free elements. So it has more than 1 million active installation. So we can go with this one right here, and it will allow us to create an animated header. Another way we can do this is an easy way, and you can actually directly search for animated header, and then it will again give you some of the different add-ons that you can go for. For example, Royal Elementor add-ons, WP mobile menu, and then we have Elements Kit Elementor add-ons, which will allow us to add it. But the one we were going for is the most efficient. So I'm gonna go back to it. Essential add-ons, click on install now. Once it's installed, click on activate. Okay, so it's downloaded. Now we have configuration. So this is how you get started with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on next. Contact elements, creative button, info box, team members, dual color heading, features, list. So these are the different things that we want. Yes, we want in animation. So I'm going to click on next. Again, unlock 30 plus advanced. So I'm going to click on next. And then we have again next. Perfect. Integrations. Again next. So you just have to, simply, all right. So now we're just done. Perfect. Here we have essential add-ons now. What I want you guys to do now is simply go to your website. So I'm going to actually open up my website in a new tab. Now this is my website right here, and I will be able to now edit and add a header which is going to be animated. So I'm going to go to header media right here, and you can see this is like our basic header that we can go for. But now we have our own plugin right here. So now what you will do is you will simply go back to your essential add-ons, and now what you have to do is you will go to elements and you can enable different elements that you have. So if you want to enable all of them that are available, you can just click this option, or you can disable them. So you can see right here how we create animated header. We have creative buttons, team member, testimonials, flip box, info box, dual color heading, tool tip. Then we have advanced menu, toggles, event calendar, simple menu, advanced search. Then we also have like different dynamic content elements such as content ticker, post grid, content timeline, post block, data table, advanced data table. And then in creative elements, we have fancy text right here, countdown. This is the one actually that helps us a lot with creating an animated header. So what we can do is we can actually get to this one. Let me actually show you the documentation for this one. So this is our fancy text right here. What we do is we can achieve fancy text that allows us to add different elements, and it allows us to add different text styles to our header, and it's really important when it comes to creating an animated header. So this is our widget, which is the fancy text one. You can see it's very popular. Then we have filterable gallery, progress bar, protected content, image comparison, image hotspots, dividers. Then we have contact forms in different styles, social feeds. This is also really important. Then we have WooCommerce element as well. So you can just enable all of them, the ones available. The one that are locked, these are going to be for the premium essential add-ons, and you can actually get premium from here. You can see right here. But if you want to enjoy like free, then you can just go with the elements that are available. But you can go for premium as well. Then we have our own tools right here. In tools, we have our own assets. We have embed method. So if you want to like add an external file, you can click right here, click on CSS print method, and it will allow you to embed different codes. Click on save changes, and these are also saved. So these are the different settings that we have to do in order to actually create an animated header. Then we have integration. In integration, again, we have other integrations available that we can add. So I'm going to go back to general now, and then what you have to do is simply open up your website, and on your website now you will be getting your own fancy text right here. like the widget will be available here, the fancy text one. So once you get it, then you can just simply go ahead and use it to write text and add fancy text, add different buttons, add creative elements to your WordPress website. And this way you will be able to create animated headers very easily with add-on, essential add-on plugin right here. With this plugin, we're getting all of these different options as I mentioned before, and it will allow you to create elements that you want to add. And you can see there are total 52 elements available for free that you can use. Keep in mind that the essential add-ons work with Elementor. So if you already have like designs and templates there, from there the different widgets that are available Elementor, you will be able to add them to your WordPress website right here with your add-on. So if you go back to visit your website again and you open it up, you will be able to actually customize it the way you want, and you will be able to add a fancy header. Now this is like a test website and I haven't worked on it that much, so you can see like it's very simple. But if you were creating, of course you're creating like a professional website, so you will add all of the different elements. You can add text and graphics in order to make your header animated, and it will be shown right here. You can just add your header right here, and you can animate it with fancy text widget using essential add-ons. So as I'm talking about essential add-ons right here, and I'm actually mentioning Elementor, that's really important to get before you get add-ons. So you can go to elementor.com and you will get all the information about it. It's actually to create your WordPress website more interactive, and it allows you to work with a lot of different widgets, and it allows you to actually have all of these different features. So you can actually start creating, and you can create your own widgets, and you can create your own website on WordPress with Elementor. So if you are completely new to this, you can just click on start creating now, and it will allow you to host a WordPress website. So if you do not have an account on Elementor, you can just continue with Google, and it will open up your Elementor account for you. So I'm going to actually skip these steps for you guys. So here you can see that we have all of these different features, and if you're creating a website with Elementor on your WordPress, right, you will be able to use your essential add-ons, and you will be able to use different elements such as, you know, your buttons that I showed you, and we also get our own fancy buttons, and it will allow you to create a very unique, and it will allow you to create an animated header. Elementor has 30 plus basic widgets, 60 plus pro widgets, 30 plus basic templates. There is also a pricing plan for Elementor, which is going to be $99 per year, and it's a fixed price, and there is no hidden fee to it. And you can see right here we get all of the Elementor Pro features, and we get all of the you know, different headings, text, everything, and then we have WordPress pre-installed. So this is for the people, as I told you before, add-ons is going to be for the people using WordPress with Elementor. So that's really important, and you can buy Elementor as well if you want to, or you can actually just sign up and get a free trial as well, and after that you can just, you know, add your essential add-ons, and it will allow you to create an animated header for your WordPress website. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to add an animated header on WordPress. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.